Good morning. It's day 10 of our cruise, and we're more than halfway across the Atlantic Ocean now, heading to Nassau. Getting the kids ready to go. Now we've already had our breakfast here in the suite. It's a little cloudy and overcast this morning. And now I'm going to go do the zip line and the ultimate events because I haven't had a chance to do either of those yet. And we don't have anything really scheduled for today. There's not a lot going on today. So, seems like a good time. bit rainy. A little bit. It rained all day, actually. We got up to the zip line just as the storm was hitting us. And so everything's been shut down. The slide, the merry-go-round, the zip lining, all been shut down all day. And it has been like this all day. You can see our balcony is completely soaking wet. Everything. So our plans just ended up changing. We kind of just been chilling today. We had lunch at Playmakers, which was a nice little change of pace. So we got a lot of ducks. We have a lot of ducks now. And then we kind of just took naps this afternoon. Damon is now at the kids club with our older two boys doing some science experiments. Hopefully he's getting some video of that so you guys can see that going on here. And then we're supposed to go to Hooked tonight, but we've been eating at Hooked a lot on this vacation because it's like one of our 2 lunch spots. So we're going to go to Jamie's tonight instead. Our wonderful Jeannie got us into Jamie's tonight, which is really, really nice. And so I'm just waiting for Damon to get back, and I think I'm going to go change and get into something else. I don't know, I might just stay in this. I'm pretty comfy. Maybe I'll change into the white sweater and look kind of cute that way. But yeah, hopefully we get a little bit of better weather soon so I can try to do zip line. I just want to do that. I just want to do the zip line, and I want to do the ultimate best. Luckily, we still have like 5 more days to try and get that done.
There's 4 beds.
There is 4 beds.
There's 1 bed.
Another perk of being in star class, laundry. You can get it done as often as you want. You can get it done every single day, and it's free. It's included with the room. And so when you have 6 people in your party and you're on a cruise for 2 weeks, it's a very nice little perk. You can just send it out, and it's usually back within 24 hours.
I don't think so, because it says it was done in 1983. Nope. We're going to one down here. Yeah. So we're going to slow down. Whoa! Do you have Colby? We're going slow.